You know, most of the big horizontals and some of the other competitors and stuff, they have the big nutating heads, and they're really slow. And they wind and they unwind and lose a lot of cycle time because it takes so long for these things to reposition. With the Z3 sprint head, it goes 0 to 40 in a split second.
So when we were looking at expanding our capability, our capacity, we kind of did a little study of some of the competitors, and we found Starrag to still be the best. Notthoff Engineering is a family-owned machine shop. We do high-speed monolithic structural airplane parts and helicopters as well.
You have to have equipment in place so that when the surge comes, you're ready. We can achieve parts a lot faster with this machine than any other machine on the market.
The Z3 head, which is a parallel kinematic head, is the heart of the machine. It gives you unmatched performance in terms of acceleration and deceleration. The spindle is really robust and reliable. It's 161 horsepower, 30,000 RPM.
Reliability's been great on the machine, and Starrag has, from day one, been a great partner for us. That's the reason we bought the second one. They genuinely know that when your machine's down, you're not making money, so they're on top of it right away.
They needed a high productivity, high accuracy aluminum structure machine. And that's exactly what the Ecospeed is. It's the highest horsepower, it's the fastest on the market. It's going to be 30 to 40% more efficient than every other machine out there.
There's a new spec that Boeing put out that requires you to do everything in the same setup. So that's the beauty of having two pallets. So we have one pallet in the machine that's running parts while the mechanics are working on the other pallet setting up the next job.
For Starrag, it's all about the people, the partnerships, and the machine. Without the right people, it's really hard to get the full benefits the product can offer.
Load it, set the tools, push the button, and you're good to go.